How to see deleted follow requests on Instagram. If you're trying to see deleted follow requests, simply go ahead and open up your Instagram app, and from here make sure that you are logged in. Then, in order to see your deleted request, tap on the profile at the bottom right, then tap on the horizontal lines at the top right to go to settings. Now you're going to have to request for your information download, so head over to Account Center first, and then click on Personal Details. As you can see here, right below that, you have your information and permissions, and then click on download your info. So what you're going to have to do is request a download. Select your Instagram account simply, and then tap on next. Now request some of your information because you don't want all of the information. You just want your followers and following information. So select contacts, followers, and following, and then tap on next. Here click on download to device, and select a date range. For example, if you want to change it to last month, click on save. Here you could notify on your Gmail. You could also choose the format type. I suggest you select HTML. Select the media quality and then click on create files. Now it will be requested. And once the request is complete, it will show up right here. So let me just show you guys. Once the request is ready to be downloaded, you'll find this download option, and you'll be able to download the information and see your deleted follow request. I hope it was helpful to you. I'll see you on the next one.